Okay, we are working on the introduction poster, and the steps that we're going to go through in this short little video will be for step 2 and only step 2 of the project. So, step 2A, we're going to create word art. We're going to choose the first style from the drop down menu called Fill Black, Text Color One Shadow. And the text that we're going to enter for this word art is your grade in school. So either enter a 9, a 10, 11, or a 12. So if you need to stop the video and get up your Word document, you need to do so. Okay, so we are going to start and go to the insert menu, come down here to the word art area, and we are to pick the first style from our word art options here, which is that fill that is black, text color one shadow. And your box might kind of interfere with your name. You can just pull that out from behind it. And then inside of here, you take out the your text here. You'll either type a 9. If you're a freshman, a 10. If you're a sophomore, 11 if you're a junior, and a 12 if you're a senior. I'm going to go back to a 9. And remember, it has to have a box around it, so you have it as word art. Step 2B, change the font style to Cooper size 50. So we are going to select that little number that is inside that box, and we want the font called Cooper. I'm just going to hit this drop down here and type COO. There it is, Cooper. You can look and scroll through your list. And then the size, just take that 36 and type a 50, maybe push the tab key, and there you have it. That's your size, 50. 2C, we're going to text fill this word art with a single color of orange. So back on the Word document, under shape format, text fill, not shape fill, text fill of orange. You just click it, and there you have your orange text. Step 2D, change the outline color to purple. We're going to do step 2E right after it, which is change the text outline weight to 2 1/4. And then immediately after that, we'll do step 2F, which is change the text outline dashes to a square dot. So let's do all 3 of these. So your text is still selected, and here is your text outline. Hover over it, it should say text outline. If it says shape outline, you're in the wrong place. So hit that drop down there, and the text outline color is purple. So we got that one. Then back at this same drop down, we change the text outline weight to 2 1/4. There you go. Now you can actually see it a little bit better. And then change the text dashes to be square dot. Now you're going to have to look for screen tips, like that says round dot. And the third one down should say square dots. And that's what it should look like. Then the last is step 2G, is to place this word art in the upper right corner of the document. Again, you can go down here to step number 9 and see where it's going to go. See, it's going to go right up here. Okay. And so what you need to do on your Word document is grab the, like with a four-headed arrow, not this, that four-headed arrow, and you drag it over here and you just put it right there. Don't put it next to the edge of the paper. Bring it in just a little bit. If your name is in the way, I'd suggest you make your name a little bit smaller. And then you can do Command S and save it. And now you are done with step number 2.